Hey everyone, and welcome. Get ready for an incredible chill bike ride with me along the stunning Long Beach shoreline. Our adventure kicks off in Belmont Shore. You can find the exact starting point in the description below. Just a little ways into our ride, keep your eye out for the walkout path near Claremont. This spot is a heaven for kite surfers. For those who haven't seen it, kite surfing is basically wind-powered surfing. Riders use these huge kites to glide across the water. Next, you'll ride through Rosie's Dog Beach. Our ride continues to the Belmont Veterans Memorial Pier. This pier is a fantastic spot for fishing. I hear the middle section is prime for halibut and sand bass. And if you're real lucky, you might catch the incredible Congressional Cup in action. This is a huge deal in the yacht racing world. It's like their version of the Masters, where the best skippers compete for the prestigious Crimson Blazer, a tournament that's been held every year since 1965. Next up is Junipero Beach. This area is buzzing with energy. You'll find basketball games, skaters showing off their moves, and tons of vendors selling everything from food to unique souvenirs. As we continue, we'll ride into Alamos Beach and the beautiful marina. Keep your eyes peeled for the incredible yachts docked here. Speaking of incredible, you absolutely can't miss the Devil's Gauntlet. This custom-built 81-foot pirate ship is a real sight to see. A fully remodeled replica with a fascinating story. The final stretch of our ride can get a little busy, but trust me, the view is totally worth it. Look at this beauty. The majestic Queen Mary in the distance here. This retired British ocean liner is now a hotel and museum, and it's absolutely worth checking out. And here we are at the end of the trail, with a fantastic panorama of downtown Long Beach and the Thumbs Island. Get ready for some awesome views. As we head back, keep an eye out for some of the awesome artwork scattered along the path. Perspective changes on the return trip, so you'll see things you might have missed. It's like a whole new ride. That wraps up our epic chill bike ride along the Long Beach shoreline. I hope you enjoyed cruising with me. If you did, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button for more adventures. Let me know in the comments which part of your ride was favorite. Thanks for watching. Peace out.